The OrCam MyEye is equipped with Bluetooth to enable you to connect to headphones or an external speaker. Press the Bluetooth pairing button on the speaker or headphones. Note, you might receive some audio feedback. Use the voice command, connect to a Bluetooth audio device. The MyEye device will beep while scanning for Bluetooth devices. Once you hear the name of your Bluetooth audio device, press the touch bar to connect it. You can also connect to a Bluetooth device using the settings menu. Enter the settings menu by simultaneously pressing the suspend button and swiping your finger on the touch bar. Scroll to the connectivity settings menu.
Connectivity setting
then to
menu.
Bluetooth settings.
Bluetooth setting menu.
Select the option to connect to a Bluetooth audio device.
Connect to a Bluetooth audio.
OrCam MyEye will scan and list all available Bluetooth audio devices. You can browse through the available devices by swiping the touch bar. Tap the touch bar to select the device you want to connect to. OrCam MyEye will connect to the selected speaker or headphones. On some speakers, you might hear connected from the Bluetooth speaker,